how to delete files from the recycle bin automatically. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can automatically delete files from the recycle bin or clear out the recycle bin automatically without having to manually delete them from the recycle bin in Windows 11. So if you wish that your recycle bin automatically clears out the files that it contains at a specific period of time, then you need to follow the steps listed out in this video. So the first thing that we need to do is head on towards the settings of our Windows computer. So in order to head on towards the settings, simply scroll your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and then you need to right click onto this start button. Once you will do this, you can see this settings option in this menu. So simply click onto this settings option and it will lead you to the settings of your Windows 11 computer. Now from here you can see this tab of system. So simply click onto this system tab and it will lead you to the system settings. Now from here simply scroll down and you can see the storage option. This includes settings for storage space, drives, configuration rules, etc. So simply click onto this storage option, and now under the storage option you can see under the storage management section this feature of storage sense. The storage sense automatically frees up space, delete temporary files, and manage locally available cloud content. So the first thing that you need to do is enable this storage sense. So once you will enable the storage sense, you will be able to enable the features that the storage sense provides. So to access its features, simply click onto this storage sense option, and here are the different types of features that storage sense provides. So here you can see that under the configure cleanup schedules you can see this option that says delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over, and then you can determine the period after which the files in the recycle bin will be automatically deleted. By default it is 30 days, but if you want to increase that you can increase it for up to 60 days, and you can decrease that up to for a single day. So for example, if you choose the 1 day from this option, then just after 24 hours of moving any file to the recycle bin, it will be permanently deleted from the recycle bin. So that's how you can set the amount of time or the period after which the file should be deleted from the recycle bin. So that's it for this video. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, and also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.